Bionic Flying Fox. Festo is a German manufacturer of industrial equipment and automation systems. The robot you see on the screen is one of its specialist spin-off projects. During its creation, the engineers, as you can easily guess, were inspired by the mechanics of an animal's body, a flying fox. At rest, as well as in a state of activity, the robot simulates the movements of a flying fox almost identically. Therefore, it's able to hang upside down, clinging to a perch. In motion, the robot unfolds its wings and alternates a flight phase with a glide. As the material for the wings, the engineers chose impenetrable film, as well as lycra sheets welded at 45,000 points. If you look closer at the material, you can see the obvious resemblance to beehives. Thanks to this special design, the robot can keep moving without going down, even if the fabric is damaged. It should be noted that the developers have equipped the Fox with an infrared sensor system that transmits data about the surrounding space wirelessly. Thanks to them, the robot can fly in semi-automatic mode. Robird. Modern scientists and engineers increasingly take their inspiration
Okay.